This is a freshwater trout. Let's take some mustard greens. This is how it looks. Wow. So currently he's feeding the fishes. These are trout fishes. So by evening we'll be catching one of these and we'll be cooking for dinner. It's the time to catch the trout. So it's already evening, so we will be catching now. So this is the net. This is the net. So this guy is going to catch the fish with this, and that's the weighing balance. We will be catching a size of half a kilo.
उठाओ ना
Okay, so we have got two pieces here. These are the ones.
क्या फोटो खींचेगा ये लीजिए
So this is the one. Overall, so this is the one we'll be having for tonight. This is a freshwater trout.
Rainbow trout.
It's a rainbow trout.
आधा केजी में 100 ग्राम कम है ना 100 ग्राम कम है ऐसा कर रहे हैं और स्लिप हो अच्छा से बुला
So this is our kitchen for tonight. This is where cooking will be done. So this is the kitchen, and our cooking will be done here. There goes in the onion. So she is getting ready with the ginger. Goes in the chopped onions. And she's getting ready with the tomatoes. This will be a boiled curry, so there is no oil. Goes in the tomatoes. So the fish goes in directly. This is going to be real tasty. Yeah, tail hai na? A little bit of mustard oil on top of it for the taste. Goes in the salt. And this is the bamboo shoot.
ये मच्छी में डालते हैं
क्या है?
ये जाबरंग है
Chabram.
लेकिन जाबरंग जो मच्छी में डालने वाला जाबरंग है
हाँ.
ये बहुत तेज होते हैं
Yeah. Yes. This is called jabrang, also known as Szechuan pepper. These are raw.
दो तीन
Yeah.
डालेगा ये अभी डालेगा
And these are dried Szechuan peppers, also known as jabrang in Arunachal Pradesh. It will boil for some time.
असली भी
ये वाला क्या है
ये
ये?
हम लोग लाई पत्ता बोलते हैं ना वो
ओके
उसको हम लोग इसी से लंबा लंबा डाल के खाएगा इसी डाल देगा हम इसी
स्पिनच ना?
इसे थोड़ा सा डाल देगा ना हम दिन को तो हम लोग को बहुत डाल के दिया था बहुत
Okay.
खाया ये
She's gonna put some greens also to the boiling curry.
ये डाल देगा ये वाला ना ये बहुत टेस्टी होती है
Okay. She's our host and she controls the farm and everything for the trout. So she's also cooking. Now she's the cook for today. And now she's gonna cook us a delicious curry, the Arunachali style, okay? With no oil, just for the taste, and mustard greens will be added at last. And those jabrang, she's the main chef for tonight. This is her place, and this is called Szechuan. So if you ever visit Arunachal Pradesh, you can come here, stay here, give her a call. You can get the phone numbers from my description. Now goes in the bamboo sprouts. These are fermented, and there goes the dried Szechuan pepper. These are locals from here. It tastes really very good, the smell coming out, spreading all over the kitchen. This is going to be real tasty. This is going to be so good. This is the signature style for cooking trouts in Arunachal Pradesh. See, you have seen the entire process. It was very, very awesome to watch them cook in their signature style. He is also giving us butter tea. This is also a signature style of cooking tea in Arunachal Pradesh. So we are going to taste it. Never tasted before. We normally used to have milk tea in Assam, but they also add butter in here. She says this is real tasty. So let's try it.
चपानी ईद के इसको हम थोड़ा सा डालें हम इसको ठंडा दिन में हमेशा इसको रोज पिएगा उसको ना फ्लास्क में भर्ती करके रखेगा उसके बाद हम लोग इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा डालते हुए पीते रहेगा सॉल्ट भी थोड़ा सा डालेगा अभी भी हम ये भर्ती था एक फ्लास्क लेके रखा था हमने पूरा पीते हैं
So these are mustard greens. This will be put at last.
ऊपर डाले बोल के
Now we'll get the flavor of mustard greens and also a different added smell. A little bit of water to mild up the taste, and also we need the soup to have it with rice. So it's done. This is the butter tea. Wow, this is quite unique. I mean, this has a salty taste to it, the taste of butter, and this is not sweet at all. It's completely the flavor of butter with some tea leaves. The flavor of tea also you can get here. This is quite unique. This is my first time. This is very good. You should try this when you come to Arunachal Pradesh. So she says this butter tea, actually normally they have it during the winter season since it gets very cold, snow everywhere. So they don't take this tea with sugar due to fear of diabetes and all. So they have this butter drink all the time to keep themselves warm. Wild horses. So this is our boiled trout curry with mustard greens, tomatoes, bamboo sprouts, fermented bamboo sprouts. I'm feeling quite sleepy, so I'm gonna have the dinner and I'm going to sleep immediately. So let's try it, how it tastes like. This is how it looks. Some gravy, with Szechuan pepper on it. I bet this is gonna taste really good. Arunachali signature boiled fish stew. Let's put the peppers aside. Let's take some mustard greens, some fermented bamboo sprouts. Wow, this tastes even better than the curry which has been prepared with oil. This is really very tasty. This is the best stew I have ever had in my life. Let's take a chunk of trout, some mustard greens, mix together. This is a savory taste to it. A tangy flavor from the tomatoes, fermented bamboo sprouts, and also a little bit from the mustards. And this Szechuan pepper they have added to the smell in such a way that without this, the stew would have been missing out something greatly. This is really very good. This is the first time I am having trout in my life, and this is the best stew I ever tasted in my life. I hope you have loved the video, me trying out different foods in Arunachal Pradesh in this second day. So I hope you're going to enjoy the upcoming videos, and to support me, please do like and subscribe and do share with your friends. It would be great help to grow my channel.